Okay, let's go on with IELTS speaking part 1. Describe a resolution you made in the new year, past tense, right? Please start.
Yes, it is very common to celebrate New Year. Uh, I also celebrate New Year with my family and with my friends. Recently, last the resolution I made in the New Year that to help the poor peoples. And when I was sitting with my brother, I decided to make a charity group which is named as Munawwar Dunya, uh, and we give the utility things like pulses, rice, and flour to the poor every month. And recently, we also go for the uh, peoples which is undertaken in flood. This make me to very satisfaction, and inshallah I spread this charity group in all over the world.
Okay, thank you so much. You spoke for 1 minute, and 90% of your talk was about charity group.
जी.
And you didn't talk about resolution, new year. In the beginning, you said, but then you didn't link
This
it.
is the resolution.
Yeah, but when you speak, you have to link it. For example, that charity group is my New Year resolution, and thank God I achieved that. Right? I made some more plans for it, and probably in the next year. I mean, just link your answer. What happened? You started at the end, the last 40 seconds of your answer, you only described charity group. The topic, resolution, New Year, it was lost. So whatever you say, connect it with resolution, connect it with New Year, then you are on the topic, otherwise you are off the topic. Okay? And you cannot argue with the examiner. Examiner will only give you the bench score. They will not just say this and that. Okay, now let's go on. Why do people make New Year resolutions?
Uh, in all the world, people make resolutions, new resolutions in because
Because they are not married and they want to get married, that's why they make new resolution to get engaged somewhere, and after
Yes.
that they get married also. So all the unmarried people, they make New Year resolutions. Huh? हो सकता है, क्यों नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है ना? Something like that. So for part 3, you need to be ready, and I tell you, if examiner gets to know that you are giving answer from your memory, then they will ask you several questions. And at the end you'll be totally puzzled, and you'll be astonished what's going on here and all that. So focus and connect your answer with the main topic, and if your answer is not connected, it is off the topic, and sometimes it is also crammed answer, right? Be careful with that. Thank you.